everyone, it's SpeedyGoneCuber. As we have recently hit 200 subscribers, I thought it would be a good idea to try and solve 200 Rubik's Cubes straight.
Let's now start a new session and we're gonna start scrambling. $12.33 for the first solve, but still got another 199 solves to go. Let's see how this goes. There we go, there's our average of 5, 12.11. Not that great, but I mean, it's pretty decent, I guess. Yes, sub 10. And there's my average of 12.24. There we go, I've done 50 solves so far. I already feel like I'm getting a bit tired of this, but still got another 150 to go. The solves I just did right now were not great, but I hope the next solves go pretty well. Let's go. Okay, that wasn't the best solve. I've done 100 solves so far, and I'm feeling pretty tired, and I feel like I need to stop. But I know I've got another 100 more solves to go, and I'm only halfway. I do not know how I'm going to manage the next 100 solves, but let's see. But firstly, I need a drink. Hope that's better. Now let's go on to the next solves. Done 150 solves. Only got 50 left to go. I feel so tired right now. Really feel like breaking. You gotta subscribe because I'm doing something ridiculously hard. Right, this is it, the last solve. Let's do the scramble. I feel so tired now. I've done 199 solves straight, and it's the 200th solve. Thank you for 200 subscribers, and this scramble looks pretty trash, but yeah, so... And there we go, sub 10. The scramble was trash and I still got a sub 10. Pretty nice. I feel so tired now. 200 solves straight in one sitting. This feels incredible. You gotta subscribe. And thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, tell me in the comment section below. And be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Also, if you haven't already, please go and enter my giveaway by clicking on the video in the top card. I hope you have an amazing day and keep on cubing!